might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and this morning I'm going to be doing a little different project. This is the table that we purchased last week up at the Habitat for Humanity store, and I got this little table for just $21. It was priced at $30, but the day I bought it they had a 30% off, so it comes to $21 plus tax. I've already measured the table, and the length on it this direction is 48 inches. This direction is 18 inches, and it stands off of the floor approximately 26 inches. So it's just a little bit taller than what I actually wanted for what I'm going to use it for, but I think I can make it work without any problems. And this table, I originally thought that it was all solid wood, but as I looked at it underneath, it does have some what I would call particle board in it. I'll show you that in just a minute. But other than just being a little dirty, right here on this corner, there's a spot here, and what that looks like is it looks like a bird pooped on it. And so we're going to take and clean that up real good, and I'm going to put some sealer on there, and we'll see how it turns out. So first thing I'm going to do, let me get a damp cloth. There's my neighbor over there hollering at me. I'm just going to use a damp cloth and just wipe it down real good on the top. And I can feel one spot right there where the laminate is just barely starting to separate. But for my purpose, like I said, this is going to work great. The other big problem is, if you notice, it's got a shape to it. One of the legs is loose underneath, and so I'll get to that in just a minute. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh yeah, that's coming right off right there. Should have had the camera over here showing you that. Okay, this is where the bird poop was, and it just came right off. Give it 2 or 3 good rubs there. I bet that over there at the Habitat for Humanity, they probably have birds that gets in their building occasionally, and I'm sure that's where it came from. It's a little dirty spot right there. And then this is that spot where it looks like it's trying to come unlaminated, and that'll be on the front corner. So it'll be okay because my computer will probably be sitting on top of that. Okay, let me get a little table over here, and I'm going to turn it upside down and show you what the bottom side looks like. Okay, I've got it upside down now, and let's see, that leg there is loose. This leg here is loose. This is the one that's real bad. It's real loose. So we'll give them all a little tighten, and if you can look real close, right here you can tell that that is the like a OSB particle board type material. And so the whole disc may be made out of that and just has a laminate on it. I'm not sure, but either way, I still think it's worth what I paid for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these legs down while I got it upside down. At least it wasn't too dirty. It wasn't that bad. And Marie was concerned about spiders and something like that. And I don't see any spider signs in here. Okay, I got it all wiped down good. Okay, now this particular table, it don't have a Phillips head screwdriver. It uses like an Allen wrench to tighten it up, and I've already got the size that I'm gonna need for it. Okay. Let me get a camera down here so you can see what I'm doing better. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And I'm just going to turn it, tighten it up. Now this leg here was the worst one. Okay. Look there, it's not shaking at all now. That's all it needed was just good tightening up. And that may be why someone got rid of this table, because a lot of people don't have this type of tool to tighten the legs up with. Let's do this other one over here. It's not very loose, but it turned 2 or 3 turns. Okay, that one's good and sturdy. Let's go over here to this other side. Okay, that's good and tight. And we'll do the last one here. Okay. Okay, I got everything tightened up. The legs are good and sturdy now. So that's going to be fine. What I'm going to do while I've got it upside down is I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on the legs. And what this is, maybe put it over here real close to the camera so you might can see it better. Okay, this is called the original beeswax, and it is specially made for putting on furniture and polishing up furniture with, and it helps to seal it and keep it from getting worse. And I've had this particular can for several years, but it's still good. I've used it on a lot of things. So I'm gonna spray just a little bit on the leg here, not very much. I'll go ahead and spray all 4 legs while it's upside down. And then I'll just take a paper towel and wipe it down real good, and that'll help protect those legs. I don't know if you can tell on this camera how it's doing, but it's definitely making it look better. Putting a shine on it. That's 2 of them. Now I am bad about when I'm in there working, on my computer, I will set a drink on top of my table. So I'll have to be careful with this and make sure I use a coaster when I'm doing it. Which I do that now on the table I've got in there right now. Just the table I have right now is a little bit too small, and I don't have any extra room to put anything else on it. Okay, let me turn this over the other direction, and we'll do the top. Okay, I've got this sitting halfway in the carport and halfway out. I'm trying to get enough light on it that we can see it good. But hopefully you can see this corner here. And I'll just put a little bit of spray over here first. And let's see how this works, if you can tell the difference in it. Okay, let me put the camera up here. And I did the side to the left and the side to the right. I hadn't done it yet. But I can see a difference in it. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up or not. But let me go ahead and do this other side, and I'll probably go ahead and give it a full coat all the way over it one more time. We're supposed to be getting thunderstorms this afternoon, so I'm hoping that I get this all finished up before the thunderstorms come in. Okay. Okay, I can definitely tell a difference. I'm not sure if the camera's showing it, but hopefully it is. Okay, let me move the small camera out of the way. And I'm going to do one more coat on the whole top of the table. All my neighbors are out this morning, so they see me out here. Most of them know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to dry it off as best as I can. with this paper towel. You can hear all the birds out here singing this morning. That sure is nice. I enjoy that. Okay guys, that got it there. It looks a lot better to me, and the main thing is I can feel it and it feels nice and smooth. That put a good finish on it for right now. I'm gonna let this sit here and dry for maybe about 2 hours, and then I'll move it inside the house and put it next to my recliner where I set my computer on top of it, and I'll show you a picture of it when I get in there. Okay everyone, I'm inside the den now. That's my recliner, and there's the table sitting right beside it, and I've got it angled just a little bit so that the monitor, I'll be able to see it real good from the recliner. But that should work out real good for me. I may have to do some minor movement to get it exactly like I want it, but I think this is going to be fine. So thank everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was just a quick video to show you what I did with this table. So y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on our next video.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.